Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the feature Slice. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Slice is a really useful feature that I use nearly every single day when I am making a project, especially if I'm going to be making a banner. But I do find that sometimes people don't quite understand how it works and they don't understand how to make it work to their full potential. So I'm going to show you today how I use Slice. So if I'm making a banner, what I'll do is grab my text. So if this one were going to say happy birthday, I would just write that text out and then I would change it to the font that I'm going to use. And I nearly always use BFC Birthday Party for my banners because I really like this font. It's a nice chunky one and it's got plenty of room up the top for the holes. So what I normally do then is I will make my letters 10 centimeters tall and then that is ready for the banner. The only thing is, of course, I need holes in the top of each one of these. So what I use is Slice. Now Slice basically works like a cookie cutter. So you'll grab your shape and you will put it onto your letter or your shape, whatever it is that you're going to be doing, and you'll use Slice and it will basically cut out that shape exactly as it is. So the first thing I need to do is just ungroup all of my letters because it's giving me the warning of them being too large at the moment. Then what I'll do is come over here to the shapes menu and just grab myself a basic circle, and this is going to be the circle that I use for my holes in my banner tops. What I'm going to do then is just resize that down to the size that I would normally do it, which is 1/2 centimetre. Now what I'm going to do is make this a different colour so that we can see it against the lettering here. What I'm going to do then is just place that circle in the centre of that H and then again over here. Now if I were to just try and select both of those items and slice it, you'll notice that I don't have the slice function available to me, and that's because you can only slice 2 layers at a time, and because I've got 2 dots and my H selected, I have got 3 layers selected, so it's not going to work. So there's 2 ways around doing this. I can either select the H and the first dot and then slice that individually, or the way that I do it if I'm doing letters like this is I will select that dot, select that one, then I come up to a line and I like to align them to the top so that they are definitely in line with one another. Then I come down here again to the combine menu and I will click on weld. Now this has made both of my dots into one single layer. As you can see in the layers panel, I've got 2 dots and 1 layer. This now allows me to select my H and my dots, and then Slice has now become available in the bottom right hand corner. If I click on Slice, what I'm going to find now is that these are my original dots there. Then this is the cookie that has been cut out of the H using the Slice function. So now I've got all the holes through my letter that I'm going to need. So that's how you use Slice to make a banner. Another thing that I really like to use Slice for is to make my own shapes from patterns. So you can download printable patterns such as this one from Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to show you the one that I'm using. This is Sunny Coloured Background Patterned Paper. You get 20 different digital papers with this download, and I am going to be using this one here. So I've downloaded these into Design Space and then uploaded it onto my canvas. So I'm going to be using that one today. What I want to do is make some stars out of this, and then I'll be able to print those and cut them on my machine. So I'm going to go to Shapes and I'm going to grab myself a star. I'm going to use this chunky one here because I quite like it. And then what I'm going to do is just make that the size that I want it to be. And I am going to duplicate them to make all different sized stars. Again, don't forget that we will need to put all these stars together in order to slice them all in one go, because we can't slice any more than 2 layers at a time. So those are my stars that I'm going to want to use. So I'm just going to select all of these layers of stars. Then I'm going to come down to combine and I'm going to click on weld again. Then what I shall do is just select the sheet of paper and all the stars and click on slice. Now I've got all of those as my top layer. This is what's left of my pastry and there are my stars. Now what I can do is grab myself a shape again. I can put this behind my stars. Let's make that black. Now I can see my stars against it, just like that. So that's how you use Slice. I really hope you found this to be interesting and that you've learned something new. If you have, don't forget to subscribe. Drop me any questions or comments that you've got down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!